Good morning, dear colleagues. I guess I can say to everybody like that, as I'm educated as a math teacher myself, and though I haven't been in school, but I have been teaching all the time and still teaching all through my vice-rector's years in the university on the very mystically difficult subject for many as a statistics, also kind of experience. But here, just with a short assurance and note that even if in these days, especially in Estonian research context or research funding context, we are competing all the time. So I'm very glad that in science education, these obstacles, outside obstacles, have not made us to be somehow hostile to each other, but we are very strongly standing together for a good quality science education with Tartu University and Tallinn University, and even so importantly, I guess that Mia knows that for some applications I have agreed to be partner myself, so considering this topic so important. As I have seen and collaborated in doctoral defenses with many of people here, I guess, and other. Sometimes I wonder that there has been so much of research done on these topics, and why we are still struggling. Why don't we pick up, or why don't our schools and teachers pick up? One thing indeed, as it was already mentioned today, is that the times are changing and the ideas need to change as well. So we need a fresh look, new trends, and share the best practices, being it artificial intelligence or other changes in the society. That's for sure. So we need a fresh look and good new research. But I want to bring two aspects which I have been thinking a lot about, and I think that we as researchers on the area of science education or education in more general, we should maybe pay a bit more attention to the kind of a fact, if you like, that what we all tend to know, but sometimes it seems we forget that what you measure, that what you get. So that very often what I get from the school teachers is that, yes, we have been to these courses and the other courses and we know, but if the exam, national or otherwise, will be like this, so we have to train our students. And also we see that the parents push towards these kind of old ways, if it's what we measure. So that if we think in new ways about the education, about the goals of education, what we want our students to achieve, then we should rush to change the ways how we measure what they know. Otherwise, there will be no big change. And the other aspect I wanted to bring is the leadership. So we can do tricks with teachers, but if the school leaders don't support and have this idea of understanding these new ways, so that it's also happens now and then. We always have some very eager teachers who can overlook, but in a big run or broad way, we won't make this expected change for better. So that maybe these aspects, and then there are definitely many more. And very recently, it's also the very last point. I'm very happy to see, and I browsed that we here seems to be a real experts, but sometimes we wonder that if our research is evaluated, that who are the experts actually? Are they really experts on the field? So I hope we are all active in that when we are called to be an expert, so that we take this time and be an expert in our field, so that maybe there is less pressure to call for experts from outside who maybe are not so good experts on our field. So thank you.